Hello to our valued customers. My name is Sasha Yuan. I am a service crew from Cube Construction Incorporated. Today, I'm going to show you the latest Cube Goggle Protective Gear, which delivers the perfect combination of comfort and protection. So this is a perfect gear to be used, designed with maximized clear vision glasses and comfortable rubber. The lenses are made of polycarbonate, which is shatterproof and provides UV protection. So guys, it is really important to wear safety goggles, especially at work operations. And of course, to protect our eyes from foreign objects. For more information, visit us on www.cubeconstruction.com. Thank you.
Hello guys! This is what we call hard hat. So, the hard hat is composed of two components. First is the shell, the hard one. The next is what we call suspension. So guys, what is the use of suspension? Suspension is used to absorb the impact of the falling debris. So guys, why do we need to use hard hat during construction operation? First is to protect our head from falling debris. And next is to protect our head from the heat of the sunlight.
Construction protective gloves is a vital part in a personal protective equipment. It is used to cover and protect the hands from wrist to the fingers to avoid unnecessary cuts, blisters, skin punctures, heat, and chemical burns during a heavy-duty work. Work gloves comes in different kinds and types depending on the nature of task performed by the users.
Safety vest is a critical piece of safety equipment designed and regulated to enhance the visibility of workers. So it is a crucial tool of safety in construction and warehouse industries. So vests are one of the many aspects that ensure your safety while going to work every day. So another great benefit is the high visibility feature and coloring of your vest. So this is the sole purpose of wearing one. Safety vests are made out of fluorescent colors and reflective materials to make the worker easily seen in all conditions. So wearing the safety vest can really mean the difference between life and death. So it's up to you to take the initiative and make sure staying as safe as possible and watching out for your fellow co-workers out of the job site.
Our feet are a critical part of our body that we use every day. In some cases, enables us to do our job effectively. And with that, protective footwear is designed to protect our foot from physical hazards such as falling objects, stepping on sharp objects, slippery surfaces, and exposure to corrosive chemicals. Safety footwear is an essential part of the personal protective equipment element for the worker to ensure safe and healthy feet. The bottom area of the shoe is the outsole, which provides good stability, traction, and protection from on-site slips and falls. On its main sole, it has a sole plate that prevents us against punctures that may come from below. The outer covering of the shoe is commonly made of leather that reduces the chance of accumulating static electricity, knowing that leather is a non-conductive material. Inside this toe area, there's a built-in safety toe cups which protects out from falling of heavy objects. It is commonly made of steel. That's why we commonly hear the name of this shoe as steel toe shoe or steel toe boots. Steel toe shoes reduces the severity of injuries which may occur within the workplace.
What are the common arguments may limit the widespread use of PPE? Cost. But there are also economic benefits from the avoidance of injuries and more efficient working get in the way of working. But modern design and materials have overcome many of these problems, only suitable for well-built males. This is an issue especially with female workers, but it's slowly being addressed. Not suitable for hot or humid climates, but modern designs and materials can migrate this problem, but more development is needed.
Why is PP important in the workplace? We should never ignore the importance of PP in the workplace. To understand how important it is, we need to understand what it is. The definition of personal protective equipment are any items of safety equipment that protects the wearer against potential occupational health and safety risks in the workplace. It is legally required for most industries such as construction, agriculture, and engineering. Protective equipment required by a law will differ according to the wearer's working conditions. According to the Health and Safety Executive, it is important that we make the workplace as safe as possible. There should be instruction and procedures in place, and employees should have adequate training and supervision. And even after these safety systems have been applied, some hazard might remain. The risk of not using workplace safety equipment within the injury to the lungs, head and feet, eyes, skin, and body. PP is the last level of protection in the workplace. The protective equipment will form a fine barrier between your employees and the occupational equipment they face daily. It is important you choose safety and protective wear carefully to save your guard within your employees against specific dangers. In addition to that, train your workers to use their personal protection equipment correctly and teach them how to identify and report any faults.